Третий класс. Английский язык. Домашнее задание. Теперь я знаю. Страница 134-135. English. Spotlight 3. Homework. Now I know. Page number 134, 135. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. You look marvelous. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Neither have you. You look marvelous. So do you. You look wonderful. So do you. You look terrific. So do you. You haven't changed a bit. Neither have you. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 134. 134. Now I know. Vocabulary. Exercise number 1. Look, read and match. Visit my friend. Have breakfast. Watch a video. Go to bed. Listen to music. Теперь я знаю. Словарик. Посмотрите, прочитайте и сопоставьте. The answer. Number 1. E. Number 2. C. Number 3. B. Number 4. A. Number 5. D. Boys and girls, do exercise number 2. Read and fill in. Grammar. At, has, in, on, listens. Visits. Watches. Goes. Supper. At. Home. Прочитайте и запомните. Jack King gets up at 9 o'clock on Sundays. He has breakfast, then he listens to the radio. In the afternoon, he visits his friends. He comes home at 6 o'clock, then eats supper. In the evening, he watches his favorite program on TV. At 11 o'clock, he goes to bed. Jack always has a nice time on Sundays. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 135. 135. Communication. Exercise number 3. Read and choose. What do you do in the evening? I visit my friends. I am sleeping. What are you doing now? I am reading. I like reading. Общение. Прочитайте и выберите правильный ответ. The answer. What do you do in the evening? I visit my friends. What are you doing now? I am reading. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 4. Read and write the names. Reading and writing. Чтение и письмо. Прочитайте и напишите имена. Here are some pupils talking about their favorite days. My favorite day is Friday. I go to the sports center and I play basketball with my team. I love Saturdays. I go to the cinema with my friends. I like Sundays. I visit my grandma and grandpa, and we have a great time together. My favorite day is Wednesday. I have music lessons after school. I love music. I like to use this because I watch my favorite program on TV. The answer: visit grandma and grandpa Carol, go to the cinema Vicky, play basketball Bill, have music lessons Ellen. And now we must do task. Now I can talk about my daily routine, tell the time, write about my favorite days. Теперь я умею. Talk about my daily routine. Tell the time. Write about my favorite days. The answer: my favorite day is Saturday. I get up at 9 o'clock. In the morning I have breakfast. Then I go to the park. In the afternoon I watch television. I also play computer games. Then at 10 o'clock I go to bed. Saturdays are a lot of fun for me. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.